When you are faced with this, a blackout, you need this. Introducing the K36 Portable Power Station by LEMARK. Now let's take a look at what's inside the box. It has a capacity of 64,800 milliamps, 250 watts in a 2.8 kilogram portable power station and has a life cycle of more than 500 times. Now there's many ways you can charge your appliances or devices, but first let's take a look at the LED indicator over here. Let's try and see if you can see that. There's an indicator over here that shows you the power level of the generator. Aside from that, there's also conveniently placed some indication of what you can charge using this power generator. Let's take a look at the slides. Now there are three ways you can charge the K36. You can charge it via solar power panel, AC outlet, or even carport. Now let's talk about the safety features of the LEMARK K36 portable power generator. Exposing this device to extreme weather may cause it to lose its life cycle or even its power capacity. But like most generators, if you take good care of this, it will take good care of you. So let us know what you think and leave a comment in the comment section below. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. And to get notified, please hit that notification bell to know when is our latest videos. Alright, for now, see you in the next one.